Hallo, mein lieber Thomas, Nochmal, vielen Dank. Thanks for buying another chainsaw. I have lost count how many you've bought. Many thanks. Ik heb die Zalung verholen. So thank you very much. I've taken off the bar and the bar and kette, and before I take out the fluid, I'll show it running one last time. Ik hof morgen zu posten. Ik heb heute veel zu pakken, but I hope to do it today. Mein Deutsch ist schlechter. Es tut uns leid. Aber ich werde mein Bestes geben. But I'll keep trying. Kill switch. Many thanks again, vielen Dank. It runs slightly temperamental. I would love to hear. Ik werde gern horen. I'd love to hear how you get on with this one. I have had several of the C51s and they all run slightly differently, so I'd love to hear how you get on. So many thanks again, vielen Dank, and I hope we deal again soon, Thomas. Auf Wiedersehen, mein Freund. Bye for now.